Manoj Kumar and the Armix. Okay, we are into the second day, sir, and give us an understanding of what kind of a feedback you have received for your products. You mentioned some on-the-spot sales here at the exhibition. So based on that, what kind of a move do you anticipate? And just give us some idea of what's happening.
See, right now the market situation is very positive. In most of the, let's say, globally, the market situation is very good. As an example, American market is very good, Indian market is very good, Middle East market is very good. Except, let's say, like Ukraine-Russia issues or maybe this Israel issue, Israel-Hamas issue. But apart from that, everywhere else, the market is good. Europe is still a little bit on a struggling side. They are yet to get the pace. But India and Middle East, they are doing well.
Okay.
So in that case, I would say right now we are participating one after the other. This is, in November and December, this is our third exhibition.
Okay.
So we were participating in Riyadh show, Saudi Bills. Then immediately it started with Pvt Ltd. So last week, 10th it is finished and 12th we are here day before yesterday for the next show. So as a trade show wise, it is very good. All the places. And Saudi, I would say the market is really promoting let's say the country itself is growing towards a different line. Whereas they are already going for 2030 for the FIFA. They are going for the Olympics. Also, I think they are going for the World Expo.
Okay.
So these are coming in 2028, 2030, 2034.
Okay.
So major construction activities will be happening in that region.
Right.
So that will be in multiple cities.
Yeah.
So it will be in Jeddah, Bisan, Riyadh, Dammam, all the areas will be.
Right.
Apart from this, that neon construction is going on.
Yeah. Yes. Neon cities.
Yes. And also near to the
Red Sea.
Yeah. Major construction activities are going.
Yeah.
So that market is a very good market for any of the Indian manufacturers.
Okay.
Secondly, the Middle East market, especially the Dubai, UAE and Abu Dhabi market, that is also a very good market because of Etihad railway work is going on.
Yes.
So that will be connecting later to Oman railway and also to Saudi, so that entire region is getting connected. So that work is in advanced stage.
Okay.
So in India, as you know that right now the elections are approaching.
Yeah.
So most of the central government projects are going in a big speed. State governments, some areas it is a little bit down, but the market is very positive.
Okay, in India, what are the projects that are driving your business? Obviously, road is definitely a big sector.
Yeah. So, see, in our case, we are doing more on the paver plants, blocks. So let's say the basic infrastructures like the house
Urban
construction. House construction or maybe area developments. Plus, let's say the infrastructure works.
Okay.
That is getting ready. And in that case, we launched this machine 2 years back. So
Armix 2.0.
Yeah. So that is the self-loading concrete mixer.
Yeah.
Mainly wherever the urban areas or the rural areas,
Yeah.
the new developments are happening. This is something easier.
Yeah.
And even for a new entrepreneur, he can start the industry with this kind of machines because these are not very costly. Let's say someone with 30-40 lakhs as a total amount, even for a driver or an operator, he can start this kind of a machinery.
Right.
They can operate. And today the banks are also flexible. They provide if you have civil score and other things are fine. They are also providing it.
Right.
Even we are also now working tied up with lots of financial institutions to ensure that the people can start up their own business. Okay. And apart from that, let's say now we are doing a major project in Raipur, one of the topmost in the country. Plus, we are doing multiple projects here in Karnataka. Okay. We are doing projects in Gujarat, also in Maharashtra. So that way, our let's say the new production lines which are getting expanded.
Yeah.
But more than this, within India, our main activities are happening in Middle East.
Okay.
So right now we are doing 3 projects in Kuwait, 1 in Oman, and 4 in UAE.
Okay.
So those are our main priorities. So I think this year we will have a growth of around 60% compared to last year.
Okay.
So that is a major jump. So today these are all positive side of it. Then the challenges are also there. Today to hold on the employees, get the employees, suppliers, ensure that the suppliers are on time. These are the biggest challenges today.
Okay. All right. About the new line of products, this one, can you speak briefly about this? Very quickly about
This is a machine which we launched, let's say, a year back. But this is the first time we are displaying in a trade show.
Okay.
And this machine is going to
Triple station press.
Yeah, this is a hydraulic bed press machine, one of the biggest in the industry.
Okay.
And during this last 1 year of development stage, we already managed to sell this machine 3 times.
Okay.
And luckily, all these 3 machines are going to UAE itself. So this will be in Jabalali, and the next machine is in Alcos Industry Area, Dubai. The third machine is in Sharjah Industry Area.
Okay.
And one more machine we are doing in Ajman Industry Area.
Okay.
So this is something very good. I mean, there is no competition machine in terms of size, in terms of cycle time, cost effectiveness. So this, I think, we will have a big advantage comparing with all the competitions.
Could you talk about your current capacities and what future projections you expect to?
See, during the COVID or post-COVID, everyone was facing an issue with the delivery times. Most of the European companies or even major players, they were all facing, and they were talking about 1 year, 8 months, 9 months. So in today's situation, we are managed to do a plant of machinery, let's say something like 4 to 5 months.
Okay.
I mean, we know that our plant and machinery means we are completely setting up the factory from scratch to complete packing line.
Yeah.
So a total solution. So I think today setting up an industry within that 4 months or 5 months, I think that's a very decent thing.
Right.
And at the same time, we are doing one of the biggest AAC plant in the industry in Kuwait.
Okay.
This is something like a 2,000 cubic meter
per
day. Even in India, today we do not have a plant bigger than 1,200 cubic meter.
Okay.
So Armix is in a position today we are able to supply that kind of an equipment, which is coming to almost as a project cost something like 14-15 million euro.
Okay.
So I think that's a major jump. Company with only 3 years, 4 years from the inception. But of course, the team behind it with vast experience of more than 25 years in the same field. I think that is where the investors are recognizing, and we are getting that share.
So very briefly about this exhibition as a brand and what kind of value it has brought to you as a company, to your companies.
See, personally, I am participating here from 2006 to Excon exhibition. So this is one of the prominent show in India, comparing with, let's say, there are 2 major shows. One is VC India and second is Excon. And this is a home show for us, so always we prefer to showcase something, and you see that this time also we had a bigger booth, and we are displaying something. Last year, even PC also we showed something. So we take it as a bright moment to show that whatever the new developments we are doing, so this is an opportunity to showcase the industry people. Okay, we are coming out with new developments. So this show is very good for us. Okay, the infrastructure-wise, it needs to develop a lot. I mean, as we are talking, we need to talk about the pros and cons.
Absolutely.
Let's say the facility, the location, everything else is fine, but still the commutation, parking, infrastructure needs to develop a lot. This every year we are talking about it, but somehow it is not happening. But apart from that, I think this is one of the best shows we are participating, and we are very happy.
Overall, very optimistic.
The footfall is very good. I mean, today it's the second day, but we could feel that lots of people are coming. So that will be always a positiveness and awareness all over the country. So these are not the people only from the South Indian side. Mostly we could see even from the north also, or northeast. Lots of people are
right. Overall optimistic about.
Yes, very much positive.
So, thanks very much, Ari, for your time.